So if you don't want a mess, drain antifreeze if you want to. Take an engine out so I don't mind spilling a bit. But yeah, that's how it looks like. You've got one plug here, one plug on top. Nice Beamer tune mark, and then still got that one, the cap for that pressure converter I showed you before, which you plug mostly like so. We've got a plug thing that literally plugs into, get off you two in here. I'm trying to do it on hand, but it might prove difficult. How do I do that then? So you just plug that, if it goes in, yeah, it's difficult to do everything one hand, but you plug that and you don't worry about it anymore. No vacuum leaks. Next one up will be that bad boy with a gasket. So you look at the shape of it, you take the seal out because we've got a seal on it. Got a small seal like that which just clips off. Just clips off. Let's have a look inside how dirty it is. Not too bad, seen worse. That's where it goes. Let's see. That's just on the gasket. I didn't stick my finger in that, but I'm expecting loads of soot inside that intake manifold, which I'm gonna have to get rid of. And last bit of it, obviously fit that. Last bit is for exhaust. Use a wire brush or some sandpaper just to make a clean surface so you can fit it. And that's about that. Remap and off you go.